Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement ignition coil that fits a variety of vehicles from General Motors, including Chevy trucks, GMC, as well as Cadillac and a few other vehicles. Now this particular coil is going to fit the vehicles with the 4.8, 5.3, or 6.0 V8 engine. Now let's take a look at this coil. Now one thing I want to point out to you is you can see this coil, it's rounded. Now depending on the exact submodel of the vehicle, the month it was built, and the factory it was built, it may not have this round coil. So the first thing you want to do, even if you check and it shows that this ignition coil fits your vehicle, just go out, open the hood. The ignition coils are mounted on the top of the engine. You might have to pull a trim cover off. And just make sure you have the rounded coil on your vehicle. There's a square one, and then there's another odd-shaped coil that some of the vehicles came with as well. Once you verify that this is the right coil, you get it, you order it, you go to install it. It's pretty straightforward. There's two bolts that are going to mount this to the motor. There is a ignition wire that just pops right on here, and the factory connector to the engine computer plugs into here, and that's pretty much it. We sell these ignition coils in a complete set of 8. It saves you quite a bit of money over buying them individually. And if this isn't the ignition coil for your vehicle, meaning you don't have the rounded one, if you scroll down on the page, we have links to the other 2 ignition coils that the vehicle may use.